Hello, happy morning, my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you have seen your results and you all are healthy and safe at home. Students, you remember we have started with our seventh chapter, that was fraction. We have already completed one exercise. Remember? Yes, you remember. So now this video will be our part 2 video. In this, we will discuss some important topics that are related to exercise 2. So students, open your textbook, page number 77. So students, today in this video, we will be discussing about equivalent fractions. That is today's our topic. So are my students ready with their textbook on page number 77?
We have ate some pieces from the pizza. We'll eat more. We will eat one part of 4 equal parts and I will eat 2 parts of 8 equal parts. What?
Students, let's read what is given here. Meenu and Anu ate some pieces from the pizza. Meenu ate one part of 4 equal parts. मीनू ने कितना कंज्यूम किया? जब 4 पीसेस थे तब she consumed only 1 part. And Anu ate 2 parts of 8 equal parts. Anu ने कितना कंज्यूम किया? उसने 2 parts कंज्यूम किए. Remaining parts है that are colored. Now let's see.
Equal parts of the pizza. 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 8. Such fractions are called equivalent.
So students, Meenu and Anu both ate equal parts of pizza. You can see in the picture. जब 4 पीसेस थे तो मीनू ने 1 खाया. पीसेस भी ज्यादा हो गए तो उसने 1 की बदले 2 खाए. किसने? अनु ने. So we can say that Meenu and Anu both ate equal parts of pizza. 1 by 4 equals to 2 by 8. Some fractions are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means they are equal. Okay?
Fractions. Fractions that represent the same parts of the whole are called equivalent fractions.
What is equivalent fractions? The presentation of one thing in a different form. आप ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, okay? जिसके answers ultimately equal आए. We can get the equivalent fractions of any fraction by multiplying or dividing the numerator and the denominator of the fractions with the same number. If I want to find the equivalent fraction, I will multiply or divide. What I will multiply and divide? I will divide the numerator as well as denominator with the same number. Okay?
Of any fraction by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of a fraction with the same number except 0. Example 1. Find 2 equivalent fractions for 1.
Now we will see example that how we are able to find the equivalent fraction of for 1 by 4.
4. Solution. Pictorial representation of equivalent fractions. 1 upon 4 equals 2 upon 8, which equals 3 upon 12. 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 into 2 upon 4 into 2, which is equal to 2 upon 8. We multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 into 3 upon 4.
let's discuss what is done here. Representation of equivalent fractions. यहाँ पे हमें पिक्चर के फॉर्म में उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया गया है. So students, जैसे we have seen in the last slide, it was there. If we want to find the equivalent terms, we will multiply or we will divide the fraction with the same number, numerator as well as denominator. Remember the statement that is applied here. See, the question was 1/4. Then what ma'am did to find the equivalent fractions? 1/4 equals to मैम ने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 2 से दोनों जगह न्यूमरेटर as well as denominator. Then मैम multiplied with 3 and both the sides numerator and denominator. Then we got the answer. So whenever it is asked you to find the 2 equivalent or 4 equivalent or 5 equivalent, what you will do? You will just multiply the fraction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatsoever number is asked, you will multiply with that number. Okay?
Which is equal to 3/12. We multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. So 1/4 is equal to 2/8 is equal to 3/12 are equivalent fractions. Reducing fractions to lower.
So students, we saw what is equivalent fractions. We have discussed our page number 77 and we will now move to 78. That is our exercise 2. So students, this is your exercise on page number 78 of your textbook. Let's discuss that. Write the fractions for the shaded portion. Write yes or no if the fractions are equivalent or not. The first one has been done for you. 1/4, no. 3/8. ये equivalent fractions नहीं है. Now let's move to the D1. See, इसका क्या होगा? Fractions 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of this 4, only one is shaded. So 1 will be my numerator and the total will be my denominator. In this, only 2 are shaded out of 8. 2/8. So this is equivalent or not? आप थोड़ा सा गेस करेंगे तो अगर मैं 1/4 को मैं 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करती हूँ न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में, I will be getting the same answer 2/8. Okay, so I can say that they both are equivalent, so I will use yes for it. So easy, right? So let's move further. So students, now question number, now C and D you will be solving as a part of your worksheet. Okay, now we will discuss question number 2. Fill in the boxes. Fill in the box to write equivalent fractions. We will fill the box. C. 3/10 को मैंने किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया? दोनों जगह 2 से. Numerator is also multiplied by 2 and denominator is also multiplied by 2. So what will be my answer over here? See, 3 into 2, 6. 10 2s are 20. So I will be writing here 20. Let's discuss the B1. See, 36/40 is divided by 4. 4 is divided at numerator as well as denominator. So 36 is divided by 4, I will be getting 9. 40 divided by 4, I will be getting 10. It's so easy, right? The remaining sums you will be solving as a part of your worksheet. Let's move to question number 3. Write the first 5 equivalent fractions of the following. मैंने आपसे अभी डिस्कस किया था कि अगर आपसे find the equivalent fractions. What you will do? You will take the fraction, you will multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आपको यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल के साथ दिया हुआ है. ओके. In question number 4, circle the fractions which is not equivalent to other. You are supposed to circle the fraction in question number 4. In question number 5, find an equivalent fraction of 3 by 7 with the first one as done for u. See, मुझे ऐसा फ्रैक्शन चाहिए 3 by 7, उसका आंसर कितना आना चाहिए न्यूमरेटर में 5. So students, the condition for 3 by 7 is कि मुझे न्यूमरेटर का आंसर कैसा चाहिए 15 चाहिए. So न्यूमरेटर का आंसर मुझे 15 चाहिए. मैं 3 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी जिसका आंसर 15 आएगा? Yes, 3 5s are. And you know the multiplication will be same for the numerator as well as denominator. So नीचे भी आ जाएगा 5. 7 5s are 35. Okay students, so we have done the first one. Check whether the following fractions are equivalent using cross multiplication method. What is cross multiplication method? See, 3 upon 8, 16 upon 24 is your quotient. Cross multiply method, you will multiply this way. 3 into 24 and 8 into 16. इन दोनों का आंसर अगर सेम आता है तो दे आर इक्विवेलेंट. अगर इन दोनों का आंसर डिफरेंट आता है तो दे आर नॉट इक्विवेलेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so students, here we complete the discussion of our exercise 2. We will continue with exercise 3 in next video. Till that, complete your notes, send me the photoshops. Bye students, take care.